Hello Year 8, my name is Miss Nelson and I'm going to tell you about the Fashion and Textiles course we are offering to Key Stage 4. Our Art and Design Textiles course is run by the Design and Technology Department. Over the course of 3 years you will undertake a number of projects and look at the work of past and present textile and fashion designers. Choose Fashion and Textiles. Well, if you love the idea of combining art, design, textiles and fashion, then this is the course for you. This course has been designed to teach you about the art and design processes and techniques relevant to the fashion and textiles industry. At CHSG, you'll be taught by teachers that have fashion and textile industry experience. You will also go on trips relevant to your work and take part in workshops run by designers and makers that work in the industry today. The skills developed through an education in art and design are integral to many roles within the creative sector, which is a collection of exciting and vibrant industries including fashion, craft, product design, interior design and architecture. Collectively, the creative sector in the UK contributed nearly £112 billion to the economy. We are at the centre of the creative industries. Alongside increasing your knowledge of creative skills and processes, you will also learn to analyse, evaluate, problem solve, communicate, manage your time effectively, and be resilient throughout your coursework. What will you study? From the beginning of Year 9, you will learn about garment construction, pattern cutting, adornment, illustration, and methods of printing, surface decoration, and embellishment. You will use the work of historic and contemporary practitioners and their associated working practices as inspiration for some of your designs. The course revolves around a combination of art, fashion and textile skills, and to produce high quality outcomes, you will need to have creative flair. You will develop your skills through a series of mini workshops and will experiment with a range of techniques which you can develop in your own work. This could include drawing, painting and printing, or within the fashion and textile element, you will learn about hand embroidery, how to use specialist sewing machines, applique, surface pattern design, tie-dye, weaving and fabric painting, among many other things, like the examples on this slide. This course will be taught through a range of projects including children's unisex wear, for example these dungarees, a white shirt project and a women's wear project. You will be given a design brief for each of your projects as your starting point, allowing you to explore related themes or concepts by investigating, experimenting with a range of processes used in art and design practice, generating and communicating fashion and textile design ideas, and developing your practical skills through application and the process of reviewing and refining your work. All transferable skills which are used in the industry today. So you will be mimicking the real life processes that designers use. Within each project, you will be required to record and communicate the development of your skills using a range of different communication methods. This could take the form of digital or traditional portfolios, design boards, pictures or presentations. On this slide, you can see some of the work students have developed to showcase their design ideas for various themes. Typically, students create sketchbooks to present their work for each brief. Each of these will form a journal of your design journey from rough ideas through to final outcomes. But excellence takes time and commitment. To produce work at the level that you can see on this slide, you will have to show resilience, but you will also have to have a passion for fashion and textiles. With that passion, you can take each project in your own personal direction. The course is broken down into two components. In component 1, your portfolio, you will develop responses to initial starting points, project briefs or specified tasks, researching, developing and refining your ideas. For this, you will complete a main project from the starting point given by the school, but you will also include other elements of your best work from across the course. So you could create a garment or a textile sculpture piece. In Year 11, in January, you'll begin your component 2, which is externally set, where you'll respond to a starting point provided by AQA. This response provides evidence of your ability to work independently within specified time constraints. This is usually a 10-hour practical exam completed over 2 days. Previously, students have worked on themes such as hybrid and biomimicry. Your work will be assessed as you demonstrate the development of your ideas through investigations that you carry out from a range of sources. You will refine your work by exploring ideas, selecting and experimenting with appropriate media, materials, techniques and processes. And you will record ideas, observations and insights as your work progresses to present a personal and meaningful outcome. Once you've completed the qualification, you will have developed a practical understanding of the art and design sector. You will have built useful skills which are not generally covered in GCSE courses, and you will have developed a good understanding of whether the art and design industry is for you, and if so, which part of it you might want to study further. There are lots of job opportunities following an art and design BTEC qualification. Here we've got suggestions such as fashion stylist, garment technologist, personal stylist, retail buyer, pattern cutter, merchandiser. The options really are endless and definitely not limited to becoming a fashion designer. Following your GCSE, you could continue your creative career path with Carshalton Girls by studying our 3D Design A-Level alongside other courses, or you could decide to use this course as an entry onto a BTEC National Diploma.